bitch, you hit me with fucking rocks. You're hitting my fucking car with shit. You went through the water.
Will fix it.
Will not fix it. Oh, she's alright. It's no good. It's all good. Just dump it. Just fucking burn it out again. Son of a bitch, still kicking rocks in my fucking car.